Hello everyone, welcome to maths class. Okay, today we will do questions of exercise 13.5. Before starting this exercise, we will do question number 6 of exercise 13.4. Okay, in 13.4 exercise, 6 question is from a, we have done this question in previous video, but today we will do by using binomial distribution. Okay, from a lot of 30 bulbs, which includes 6 defectives. A sample of 4 bulbs is drawn at random with replacement. Here with replacement, so this is Bernoulli's trial. And there are 6 defective bulbs and we have to draw 4 bulbs. So this is n. Number is finite. So this is also Bernoulli's trial. Find the probability distribution of number of defective bulbs. We have to find out probability distribution of number of defective bulbs. Means when x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 5 cases here because we have to draw 4 bulbs. So according to binomial distribution, uh, total number of bulbs are 30. Number of defective bulbs, 6. So what is probability of success? Success means defective bulb. 6 are defective and total are 30. Then what is P here? 1 by 5. Q will be 1 minus P. It is 1 minus 1 by 5. That is 4 by 5. So non-defective bulbs we know that 24. Okay. Let X be a random variable that denotes the number of defective bulbs in the selected bulb. Okay. So if X is equal to 0, but we know that when Px formula is NCX, this is binomial distribution, NCX Q raised to power n minus x P raised to power x, where P is the probability of success and Q is the probability of failure, and n is the total number of trials. Okay, here number of trials are 4, n is equal to 4 given here. Okay, so when x is equal to 0, we have to find out probability distribution. So x random variable here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So for x is equal to 0, what will be P0? At the place of n, you will put 4, x 0. In this case, Q is 4 by 5, n is 4, x is 0, 1 by 5 raised to power 0. So 4c is 0, nc0 is 1, so 4c0 is 1 here. 4 by 5 raised to power 4 and 1 by 5 power 0. So anything power 0 is 1. It is 1. So what will left here? 4 by 5 raised to power 4. 4 power 4 is 256 and 5 power 4 is 625. Same when x is equal to 1, what will be P1? At the place of n, you will put 4, x is 1, q 4 by 5, p 1 by 5. Put the values of these and after solving, we will get 256 upon 625. Same when p x is equal to 2, what will be p2? At the place of n, put 4, x2, q 4 by 5, n 4, x2, p 1 by 5 and x2. So we will put the values of these. We will find 4c2, 4 factorial upon 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 4 factorial upon 2 factorial into 4 minus 2 is 2 factorial. 4 by 5 raised to power 4 minus 2, 2. 1 by 5 power 2. After solving, we will get 96 upon 625. If x is equal to 3, then what will be P3? 4C3, 4 by 5 raised to power 4 minus 3, 1 by 5 power 3. It is 4 by 5 power 1, 1 by 5 power 3. Okay, and 4C3 is 4. After solving, you will get 4. So, after multiplication, you will get 16 upon 625. And what will be P4? 4C4, 4 by 5 power 4 minus 4, 1 by 5 power 4. After solving, we will get 1 upon 625. And this is probability distribution. When x is equal to 0, 256 upon 625. When x is equal to 1, 256 upon 625. When x is equal to 2, 96 upon 625. When x is equal to 3, 16 upon 625. When x is equal to 4, 1 upon 625. And their sum is equal to 1. Probability distribution sum is always 1. We have done this question in 13.4 by another method. You can do by this method also. Okay. Now come to question number 1 of exercise 13.5. In exercise 13.5, first question. A die is thrown 6 times. A die is thrown 6 times means finite case. Okay. Finite numbers here. if getting an odd number is a success, if getting a odd number is a success, and what is the probability that 5 successes means 5 times odd numbers, at least 5 times success, and at most 5 times is maximum 5 times success. So here as sample space it will be, if we will throw a die one time, then what will be sample space? 1 2 3 4 5 6. What is n here? Number of trials are 6. P is equal to probability of getting odd number. So how many odd numbers here? 1, 3 and 5. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5. So what is the probability of this? 3 upon 6. 1, 2, 3 and total are 6. And what will be Q? 1 minus P. It is 1 by 2. This is Bernoulli's trial because numbers are finite, and throwing a die is a Bernoulli's trial. Okay. So what is, in first case we have to find out probability of exactly 5 success. Exactly 5 success means 5 times आपका क्या आना चाहिए? odd number आना चाहिए. So x is equal to 5. What is formula? NCX. We know about formula of this. Px is equal to x NCX q raised to power n minus x p raised to power x. Okay, so put the values of these. X is equal to 5, n is equal to 6, q is 1 by 2, n is 6, p is 1 by 2. And 6c5 is 6 factorial upon 5 factorial into 6 minus 5, 1 factorial. It is 1 by 2 power 1, it is 1 by 2 power 5. So we can write 1 by 2 power 1 into 1 by 2 power 5. Base is same, then power will add. So 1 plus 5, 6. It will be 6 into 5 factorial upon 5 factorial. 5 factorial cancel with 5 factorial and 1 factorial 1. So it is 6 into 1 power 6 is 1 and 2 power 6 is 64. So after cancelling, we will get 3 upon 32. So second part is at least 5 successes. At least 5 successes means maybe 5 or more than 5. So at least means minimum 5. So maximum is 6 here. So we will take x is equal to 5 and x is equal to 6. So put the values in same formula. 6c 5 1 by 2 raised to power 6 minus 5 1 by 2 power 5, and 6 is 6 1 by 2 power 6 minus 6 1 by 2 power 6. After solving, we will get answer 7 upon 64. 7 upon 64. At most 5 successes means maximum 5. Maximum 5 means हो सकता है 1 0 हो सकता है 1 2 3 4 5. So we will take these 6 cases, and we know that what is probability distribution in this. Px is equal to 0, Px is equal to 1, Px is equal to 2, and so on. Px is equal to 6 is equal to 1. Okay, we know this formula. Probability distribution sum is 1. If we want to find out these 6, then we can do 1 minus this. 1 minus Px is equal to 6. So this is equal to 1 minus Px is equal to this. If we will solve these 6 cases, it will be lengthy. So we will take 1 minus Px is equal to 6. What is the formula of Px is equal to 6? NCX means n is 6 here, x is also 6. Q raised to power n minus x, 6 minus 6, and p raised to power x is 6 here. So after solving, we will get 1 minus 1 by 64. After LCM, we will get 63 by 64. This is answer. Now come to second question. Now second question is, a pair of dice is thrown 4 times. A pair of dice is thrown 4 times. If getting a doublet is considered a success, it means if a pair of dice is thrown one time, then doublet is success. Find the probability of 2 successes. And we are throwing 4 times. So this is Bernoulli's trial, because dice is thrown. That means pair of dice is thrown. So in this case, this trial is called Bernoulli's trials, and number is finite. Okay, so this is Bernoulli's trials. So this is Bernoulli's trials. So let x denote the number of times of getting doublet when 2 dice are thrown simultaneously 4 times. Okay, simultaneously 4 times. So probability of getting doublet in single throw pair of dice will be P is equal to, P is the success, probability of success, and success is doublet. Okay, when doublet comes, this is success. So we know that sample space have 36 cases, and doublet means 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6. These are 6 cases. So then probability of success will be favorable outcomes upon total. Favorable are 6 and total are 36. Then probability is 1 upon 6. And what will be Q? 1 minus P. It is 5 by 6. And here 4. P is 1 by 6. Q is 5 by 6. Then we know that formula. Binomial distribution is Px is equal to x. NCx Q raised to power n minus x P raised to power x. So at the place of n we will put 4. 4cx 5 by 6 power 4 minus x 1 by 6 power x. We can solve here. It is 5 power 4 minus x and 6 power 4 minus x, and it is 1 power x is 1 and 6 power x. We can combine these because in multiplication, if base is same, power will add. So it will be 6 power 4 minus x plus x cancel with x, then it will be 6 power 4. And in this case, we have to find out probability of getting two successes. Two successes means x is equal to 2. At the place of x, we will put 2. Okay, and we will get 4c2 means 4 factorial upon 2 factorial into 4 minus 2, 2 factorial. 5 power 4 minus 2 is 5 square, and it is 6 power 4. Okay, after solving, we will get 25 by 216. This is answer. Now come to third question. You will do third question yourself because this is same as last question. Now question number 4. 5 cards are drawn successively with replacement. With replacement, so this is Bernoulli's trial. From a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. What is the probability that all the 5 cards are spades, only 3 cards are spades, and none is a spade? So we will take here probability of success is spade card. Okay, because we have to find out spade cards. So in this question, this is also Bernoulli's trial. Okay, because number is finite and with replacement, so this trial is Bernoulli's trial. And x denote the number of spade cards. Okay, number of spade cards among 5 cards. Okay, among 5 spade cards. So probability of spade card, we know that there are 13 spade cards in pack and total are 52. Then what is the probability? 1 upon 4. Q will be 1 minus 1 by 4. It is 3 by 4. N is equal to 5 here. So what is the formula? Px is equal to x, NCx q raised to power n minus x p raised to power x. This is binomial distribution formula. So we will put the value of n here and q and p. Okay, q value is 3 by 4, p value is 1 by 4. In first case, all 5 cards are spade. It means we have to find the probability of x is equal to 5. So at the place of x, we will put 5 in this. And after solving, we know that 5c5 is 1. Okay, you can solve it also. But we know that 5c5 is equal to 1. And 3 by 4 power 0 is also 1. It will be 1 by 4 power 5. 1 power 5 is 1 and 4 power 5 is 1024. So answer is 1 upon 1024. Now probability of only 3 cards are spades. It means exactly 3 cards are spades. So we will put at x is equal to 3. 5c3, 3 by 4 power 5 minus 3, 1 by 4 power 3. After solving, we will get 45 by 512. And in third case, P none is spade. None means आपके पास कोई भी स्पेड कार्ड नहीं होना चाहिए, मतलब कोई भी स्पेड कार्ड नहीं निकलेगा. So x is equal to 0. So 5c 0. At the place of x, we will put 0 and we will solve it. 5c 0 is 1. 3 power 4 power 5 minus 0 is power 5 and 1 by 4 power 0 is 4 power 0 is 1. So we know that 3 power 5 is 243 and 4 power 5 is 1024. This is answer. Now come to question number 7 because 5 and 6 are same as these questions and you will do 5 and 6 yourself. Now question number 7. In an examination, 20 questions of true false type are asked. Suppose a student tosses a fair coin to determine his answer to each question. Okay. If the coin falls head, he answers true. अगर head आता है तो he answers true. If it falls tail, then answers false. Okay. true false questions. There are 20 true false question, and he will toss a coin. If head come, he will say true, and if false tails, then he will say false. Find the probability that he answers at least 12 questions correctly. At least 12 questions correctly. This is also Bernoulli's trials, because number of questions are finite, and tossing a coin is a Bernoulli's trial. Okay, repeating, tossing a coin is Bernoulli's trial. So in this question, if the coin shows heads, then it show true answer. If the coin falls heads, then it shows true answer. If coin falls tail, then it shows false answer. So here n is equal to 20, n is equal to 20, p is equal to 1 by 2, because p is the probability of success and answer correctly. We want to find out probability of answer correctly. So head आना चाहिए, इसका मतलब तो head आने की probability क्या होती है? Favorable upon total. Head is 1 and total is 2. Okay, when we toss a coin one time, then probability of head is 1 by 2 and q will be 1 by 2, because 1 minus p 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. So p x is equal to x. We know that here binomial distribution, we will use binomial distribution. P x is equal to x. NC(x), n is 20 here. Q raised to power n minus x. Q is 1 by 22 and n is 20. P is 1 by 2 power x. So it will be 20cx. 1 by 2 raised to power 20 minus x, 1 by 2 raised to power x. Base is same. Then power will add. So it will be 20 minus x plus x. X cancel with x. It will be 20. Okay, 20cx 1 by 2 raised to power 20. So in this question, P at least 12 answer correct. In this, we have to find out probability. He gave 12 answer, at least 12 answer correctly. So that means there are 20 question and at least 12 answer correctly, means 12 भी हो सकते हैं, 13 भी हो सकते हैं, 14 भी हो सकते हैं, and so on, 20 भी हो सकते हैं. So what is p x is equal to 12 here? We will put x is equal to 12 in this formula. So it is 20cx 1 by 2 raised to power 20. At the place of x, we will put 12. So it is 20c12 1 by 2 power 20. And what is p x is equal to 13? We will put at the place of x 13. P 20c13 1 by 2 raised to power 20, and so on. 20c20 1 by 12 power 20. Okay. So 1 by 20, 1 by 2 power 20 is common in all the terms. We will take common. What is left here? 20c12. It is 20c13. Last is 20c20. If we will solve this, this is typical to solve, so we will leave as it is. Okay. Now question number 8. Look at question number 8. Suppose x has a binomial distribution b6 1 by 2. b6 1 by 2 means it is binomial distribution. Based on binomial distribution, n is 6 and p is 1 by 2. It is probability of success. Show that x is equal to 3 is the most likely outcome. Most likely outcomes means answer should be maximum on x is equal to 3. Probability should be maximum on this. So what is meaning of this? B x is equal x b6 1 by 2, then n is equal to 6 and p is 1 by 2. What will be q? 1 minus p. It is 1 minus 1 by 2. It is 1 by 2. P x is equal to x. We know formula. NC x q raised to power n minus x p raised to power x. And here n is 6. Q is 1 by 2. P is 1 by 2. So 6cx 1 by 2 raised to power. It is 6 minus x. It is x. When we will add these, we will get 6. So this is probability distribution of x. So this is probability of x here. If x is equal to 0, okay, then 6c0 1 by 2 raised to power 6. At the place of x, we will put 0. After 6c0 is 1 and 1 by 2 power 6 is 1 by 64. So answer is 1 by 64. If p x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, then 6c1 1 by 2 raised to power 6. We will put in this formula. 6 into 6c1 is 6. It is 1 by 64, because 1 power 6 is 1 and 2 power 6 is 64. It is 6 upon 64. Don't cut it, leave as it is. Okay. P x is equal to 2. 6c2 1 by 2 raised to power 6. after solving we will get 15 upon 64. Okay, if px is equal to 3, then 6c3 1 by 2 raised to power 6. After solving we will get 20 upon 64. Now px is equal to 4, then c6c4 1 by 2 raised to power 6. After solving we will get 15 upon 64. 64 is and 62 are same, we can put from there or we can solve it. Okay, 15 upon 64. Px is equal to 5. At the place of x we will put 5. So after solving we will get 6 upon 64, and x is equal to 6, then we will find the value 1 upon 64. Now if x is equal to 0, 1 upon 64. If x is equal to 1, 6 upon 64. If x is equal to 2, 15 upon 64. If x is equal to 3, 20 upon 64. If x is equal to 4, this. Look at these. 20 upon 64 is maximum value. So when x is equal to 3, this is most likely outcome. Okay. Now question number 11. In 11th question, you will do remaining question yourself. Okay, find the probability of getting 5 exactly twice in 7 throws of a die. It means we are throwing a die 7 times, and एग्जैक्टली 5 टाइम्स 5 जो आना चाहिए वो 2 टाइम्स आना चाहिए. 5 एग्जैक्टली ट्वाइस मीन्स 5 एग्जैक्टली 2 टाइम आना चाहिए. सो नंबर ऑफ ट्रायल्स आर 7 हियर, एंड प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सक्सेस इज 1 case 5 out of 6. Okay, I am doing this. Here a die is shown, so trials are Bernoulli's trials. Then x represent the number of times of getting 5 in 7th row of a die, where x represent number of times of getting 5 in 7th rows of a die. So here x is equal to 2 in this case. N is equal to 7. P is equal to 1 by 6. Why 1 by 6? Because sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A die is thrown. And uh, x is number of times of getting 5. So getting 5 is one case here, and total are 6. Then what is probability of success? 1 by 6. And q will be 1 minus p. It means 1 minus 1 by 6. It is 5 by 6. And what is formula of binomial distribution? P x is equal to x is equal to nc x q raised to power n minus x p raised to power x. N is 7 here. Q is 5 by 6. P is 1 by 6. And we want to find out probability x is equal to 2, because getting 5 exactly twice means x is equal to 2 here. So at the place of x we will put 2 in this formula. So 7c2 5 by 6 raised to power 7 minus 2 1 by 6 raised to power 2. So 7c2 5 by 6 power 5 1 by 6 power 2. 7c2 is 7 factorial upon 2 factorial into 7 minus 2 factorial. It is 5 factorial. After solving we will get 7 upon 12 into 5 by 6 power 5, because 5 by 6 power 5 is it will long answer, so we will keep as it is. This is answer. Okay.